So last time we heard about the Galaxy S23 Ultra, it was revealed that the overall dimensions of the phone will remain roughly the same, which means the same screen size, same thickness, and same battery size. The industry is looking forward to what Samsung can bring with the One UF 5.1 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 combo on the Galaxy S23 series. We've already seen what Qualcomm and Samsung have done together with the Z Flip 4 and Z Fold for bringing out incredible battery life. The rear camera of the S23 Ultra will include a 200-megapixel main camera, a 10x periscope zoom camera, a 3x telephoto camera, and an ultra-wide camera, so apart from the main camera, everything else will remain the same. A couple of weeks ago, Ice Universe reported that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra design will remain basically the same, and the dimensions will differ by fractions of a millimeter. If you are hoping that the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus display will finally go back to Quad HD Plus resolution, as they were in the S20 generation, Ice's report makes it unlikely. With the S23 Ultra, we get a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 120Hz LTPO display, and it coming with a likely resolution of 1440 by 3080. We should see improvements to the color as well as the max brightness. On the front, we're going to get 40-megapixel punch or selfie camera with an aperture of f2.2, and we'll see the Exynos 2300 in certain regions, and 5000 mAh battery with at least 45W fast charging wireless and reverse wireless charging. In addition to the lens cluster, color is also featured that many people noticed in the design. I like the yellow color that appears on many forms. The gold color on the Galaxy S23 Ultra brings a powerful high-end and rich look. The Galaxy S23 Ultra may look with its flattened display, and it's actually quite striking. And it's the first device to have embraced the S Pen in its entirety, and at the end of the day it's Galaxy Note premium device in Galaxy S clothing. Now the Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to be the first phone to feature the new UFS 4 flash storage, which is twice as fast as the previous UFS 3.1. The new storage is officially announced by Samsung themselves, and it seems very likely that it will make its debut S23 Ultra. We've got a much better fingerprint scanner coming to the Galaxy S23 series. Ice Universe on Weibo tells us that the S23 Ultra is coming in at 163.4 by 78.1 by 8.9mm, which compared with the predecessor, it shows us that the thickness remains the same. The height has been increased by only 0.1mm. There are rumors that Samsung will equip Qualcomm latest 3rd Gen 3D Sonic fingerprint scanner on the S23 Ultra. The biggest USP of this is size, and it's 17 times bigger than the one on the S10. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.